So on this episode, we're going to try to re-glue the window latch. So I've marked where I want it on the outside, not on the inside. So we got some 91% alcohol. This is our cleaner. We want to clean the inside of the window. And then we want to clean off the latch. If there's any old glue on there, you're going to want to scrape it off. Well, that looks pretty good. First attempt, right? So this thing pivots back and forth. So we're going to put it on open. So we want to make sure the pivot is on the open part. If you put it on like this and it's closed, you're not going to be able to open it. So spin this or whatever it is you got to do to figure out which way is open. This is open. And then everything I found on the internet said this is the good stuff. So we're gonna put some on here. And swirl it around. We're gonna put some on our we're gonna put some right here on our window. That's what the glasses are for. We're going to line them up. And hold it into place until it sets. And I don't know how long that takes. Pretty close. Then I'm going to verify that I did it right. I don't want to close the window yet, but I'm going to flip this back. Yeah, and flip that forward. And then the other thing I got going on is I'm gluing this window trim into place with some weather stripping adhesive. And it's not cooperating at all. Fortunately for me, I have these bike tools. They seem to fit really good. They're gonna help wedge that shit down into place while it dries. I'm not gonna touch that for a while. So it says the full color is clear, full cure 24 hours. So we're gonna leave it set for 24. We'll come back and screw with it tomorrow. See if it pops off. This window is really freaking tight, so it's gonna put a lot of pressure on that glue. Of course, we'll have to wait till tomorrow to find out. So I'm gonna go glue on the other side. And then we'll check back in 24 hours and see what happens. This is follow up on the wing window latch. So we glued that in. We glued in our weather stripping. And then now we have a functioning latch. So how long is it gonna last? I don't know yet, but you know. So far so good. Got the passenger side installed as well. You can kind of see it over there through the windshield. If it pops off again, we'll just try a different kind of glue. GoPro, stop recording.